Hi, my name is Christina Davis. I'm from Greensboro, North Carolina. I found LeafFilter because y'all always on TV, but that's not a big deal because you got to advertise your business. But at the time, I had a storm that hit my gutters, so I was just trying to find something reasonable. So I just called them, and I forgot what the young lady name was. I think her name was start with an A because it's a family of them that work together. But it started with an A, but she know who I'm talking about. And she really, it wasn't even about the fact that she sold me the business. She just, we sat on the porch like two people in the country. We're just talking. And I think that's what drew me to the fact that she didn't lie about anything. She was just like, I promise. And, and she didn't lie. And so she made me feel like, okay, you didn't have to spend a lot of money because I really wanted to get it done because it looked ugly. And I think that's what it was. I don't think it was more so the price. The price was good now. I have to give it to the price. But it was more so that she took her time out and just had a whole, we talked about stuff that probably had nothing to do with the gutter line, but the fact that she took her time to not only do her job, but to make me feel comfortable that, I'm just not here to sell you this, but at the same time, I want you to be comfortable. But other than that, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the guys that put it up. They put it up in no time, and it looks like it's supposed to look on my house. And I just really appreciate the company, to be honest. I really do. But they reasonable. They got my vote. So, if I decide I want to get the other part of it, I'll call them.